This big white box has just arrived, and it has something in it that I'm very excited to open. Oh my gosh. This is both awesome and terrifying. That bit in Alien Romulus where they're in those kind of plastic frozen stasis containers. Blah. So this is from NECA's Real Toys, and oh my gosh, it's even more disgusting from the bottom here. And look at these fingernails. But it's got studs here that you can use to open the bag and remove the face hugger. Let's take this thing out. Oh wow. Wow. This thing is cool. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm just having a moment here because seeing one of these things for real in real life is somewhat disconcerting. Look at it. You know, this is the kind of thing of nightmares. The thing of nightmares for a lot of my life, and here it is on my workbench, and I can't help but having this visceral response to it. But it's nice. It's made of a foam rubber. It has quite a cool feel to it, which makes it, let's face it, an uncomfortable thing to touch. It has an articulatable tail, so you can actually move the tail like this, and it will stay in position. It does kind of bend it out of shape a little bit. You can see that kink there from where it's been in the box. But that's nice. I mean, it has the right look to it. Look at that. And then when you get to here, this is what I'd call a much more solid foam rubber. It feels like there's something inside of this, because this is depressible here, creating some structure to this. You can actually bend them here and here into shapes at these points. There's wire inside here that enables you to do that. But what you can't do is bend it here. And actually, I think if you tried to bend it, you can see, look, the foam would pull away. You could already see it if I tried to pull on it. You can see that that's going to break there. I'm keen to see if I can find a way to change the way the fingers work. That might be something that I would play with. It's really difficult with things like this because I always want to keep one like this and want to get one to completely mess up and take apart. Because I could imagine taking all the fingers off it, putting them back on in a different way so that you can move them around. And then let's look under here. Oh my gosh. This just reminds me of that moment where it's being examined on the table in the lab on the Nostromo. I'm making that face a lot during this video. I feel like when I'm looking at it from this direction, I just have to prod at it with some kind of medical device. I'm doing an examination. The fingernails on this are just perfect. Just look at these. Ooh, yes, they've done a very good job. A very good job of these. The paint job on this is quite nice. Very simple. They've chosen just a base color, and then it looks like there's one color, like a darker color, worked into these areas here and rubbed off. But it's definitely reminiscent of the color that you see in both Alien and Aliens. And in Alien Romulus, they've gone for a much darker color, particularly around these kind of air sacs and some of the rest of the body. But this is a classic Alien and Aliens franchise coloration that you're seeing right here. So what's my take on this? I love it. It's great. I think that it looks the real deal. I mean, it's authentic from a sizing point of view. Oh. It looks appropriately disgusting underneath. I would just love this to be a little bit more flexible. You can't really do anything with the upper end. It's been designed to stand and be in a particular position. There's lots of cool things I'd like to do to change the paintwork on this and bring it into the universe of Alien Romulus. And you can see me doing that in this video. Just this one here. Yeah, this one here. When it's available, of course.